I just documented the craziest week of my life. From marathon training and content sprints to pulling off Australia's biggest online crypto summit ever. This vlog is chaos from start to finish. We had thousands of attendees, 3 days of literally no sleep, and a final hour scramble that nearly broke me. This isn't just another behind the scenes video. This is the real, unfiltered build up to launching something massive. We single-handedly pulled off Australia's largest online crypto summit ever, educating over 4,000 people live and helping them make serious money. It also turned into our biggest event of the year, and we generated hundreds of thousands of dollars in just a few days. If you've ever wondered what it's like building a multi-million-dollar crypto company during a bull run, this is it. Let's dive in.
Vlog number 2. We did one last month when I was traveling around the country and going to Thailand and the F1s. Feedback is you guys wanted a lot more behind the scenes of the real day-to-day. So we're doing a little bit of behind the scenes with Josh on the camera this time, so I'm not trying to vlog and do it all myself. We're about to go to the cafe, do a little bit of work. We're hosting the biggest online crypto virtual summit this Thursday. I'm super pumped. We've got nearly 1,000 people registered already, spending tens of thousands of dollars this year. We've got speakers, in-person production team, cameras, the whole thing. We are not ready. I have so much stuff to do. So we're gonna take you behind the scenes. The team's coming over to my house tomorrow, see what's gonna go on, all the strategy behind it, and then we're gonna go to the gym after the cafe this morning and we'll hook in. See you soon. I went out for like a run because I was like three months to my marathon. I went around the Albert Park Lake. I was doing like 10Ks. I was feeling house, and I was like, you know what? It's been a week. Just do another lap. And I'm doing like 18Ks. I was a broken man yesterday on the couch. It was like not even halfway for the full marathon. That's what's scary. At the moment, like I'm training for my marathon, and I hate running. I really hate running, but it's this real inner competitive thing. Like I just have to do a marathon. I did half marathon last year, and then I started like vaping and it was terrible. So cut all that, went cold turkey, started to dial in. So I've been doing maybe 20, 30 Ks a week, but trying to fit in like running, gym, work, got a girlfriend now, like trying to fit it all in is pretty hectic. So we did the online virtual summit last year when I did a shoey. So essentially we do these massive events, bring on speakers and just host an awesome online event where we can give a bunch of education. We've got over nearly 1,000 tickets sold. Well, they're free, but tickets secured. So there's over 1,000 people registered for this event. We're doing like an actual studio this year, multiple camera operators. We've just done a bit of like a movie trailer. I'm a bit stressed because I haven't done my talk yet and I need to do that. We've been so heavy on like YouTube and stuff, and now the market's been pumping. The DMs are popping off, Instagram's back, so just been creating a bunch of content. The event's in 4 days, fuck. Okay, so like today, all the team's coming over tomorrow, we're gonna have a big day, and then Wednesday we're in the studio setting up and preparing, so it's gonna be a huge week. So this is for the trailer for the summit on Thursday, so it's pretty sick.
Opportunities are seized. Technology is rewriting the rules. In crypto, it's at the center of the biggest financial shift in history.
I want it to be like a movie. Like I want this thing to be like the best epic conference you've been to online. No one's ever done this before. We're leading the charge, but it's exciting. G'day mate, how are you? Good to see you. Yeah. This is Josh.
Josh. Nice to meet you.
Even AI, like we've been playing around with some, like we've just basically put a pause on our short form editor, and we're going to be putting all this stuff, like the podcast and stuff, through AI editors. There's like the software just does it, and you get some ones, but you just go through and pick them out. And AI is like, man, we're using it everywhere now. Content creation, video editing, scripting, website, landing page creation, emails, EDMs, WhatsApp. I reckon we've probably gone down 3 people and replaced it with AI. Yeah. But I'm going to take you to the local cafe. Josh and I are just going to punch out a bit of work. I've got all my scripts I need to do for Thursday. Okay, we just had our summit whip, just spoke to Alice, my EA, and Josh and I just sort of caught up on everything we need to do. Now I'm f***ing stressed. It's actually insane. On top of everything else we do in terms of like got 1,000 clients, you know, working with CoinSpot, SwiftX, Coinbase, all this content we put out, there's just so much to do and so little time. So I'm gonna get back to work. Bro, this is actually fucked. Let's do the biggest summit in crypto history in Australia, and let's also do a vlog, and let's do our normal thing. For some reason, I'm like addicted to the stress, I think. I'm like, it wasn't stressful enough, so let's just do a vlog at the same time. The market's pumping, so I'm like, we got to do content. We did this video, we posted on Monday on YouTube. This is my best video so far. I got 128 subscribers just off this one video. YouTube has paid me $9.30. We've nearly made it. So like I'm best in the morning to create content, and like up until about midday, have no meetings, sit down at my desk, or usually go to the cafe where we just went, and I'll just dial in, look at everything that's happening in the market, look at Twitter, look at my research team. So in Slack, we have our research channel. So this is where we're actually sharing all of our like insights and alpha like amongst the team. So all of our analysts and stuff posting here. All that alpha comes to me, and then we go through it. I might have a catch up with our analysts. I'll put together a presentation, think about what I want to create content about. This big light here, this thing turns on. We get the camera going, get the mic going, hit record. Then I'll send it back to Josh, do the thumbnail and the title. 90% of the work is in the thumbnail and the title. Like if you have a shit thumbnail and a shit title, it's not gonna work. But we've got a full team, editor, thumbnail designer, Josh and I will do the strategy. And yeah, I've been posting content consistently now for nearly 3 years. But it's always like iterating, innovating, making it better. And now we're doing these vlogs so you can kind of get it behind the scenes. But literally this video so far is our most viewed video ever, which is insane and looks to be tracking in the right direction. So exciting. Hear me now?
Yep.
There we go. Have you heard from Kieran?
Yes, I messaged him and he accepted the new invite.
Right, it's currently 6 o'clock on Monday. I've been putting together our platinum page. So it's been putting together this. It needs a lot of formatting and stuff, but I've done all the text, all the offers, the bonuses. So I'm really pumped that that's all put together. We've just hit 1,000 attendees. I think it's gonna be a long night. I didn't go to my girlfriend's for dinner though. So that's gonna be fun. Big day tomorrow. We've got the team coming over, content meeting, got our weekly huddle, got a member live stream tomorrow night as well. So all happening to tomorrow. Bye. GM, 48 hours to the event. I had a pretty decent sleep, but woke up at 5 a.m. and my mind was just racing. So all the team's coming over. We've got our content meetings, sales meetings. We're just getting everything ready. I've got a few one-on-ones this morning, and before that, I thought I'd just get up, get early, go to the gym, go to the cafe, and just try and punch out as much work as I can preparing for my talk on Thursday. So I've got an hour and a half talk on how to build a multi-million-dollar portfolios of time for investors. This is a brand new talk. So back to the drawing board, but yeah, early start, 48 hours, countdown is on. I'm excited, nervous, scared. That's how I'm feeling. It's gonna be a good day. Just jumping on a call with a Platinum 101. So all of our Platinums get strategy sessions with me. So jumping on to do a bit of a portfolio audit and answer some questions. G'day, how are you?
Good, how are you?
Very good. So sorry about this morning. We've got the big summit we're hosting on Thursday, so it's a bit chaotic. It's going to be an awesome event. I mean, it's like a virtual conference we're putting on essentially. So it's more of a marketing thing for us. We sort of share a little bit about our insights and research, and then sort of share about what we do as a business. But we're doing a members only. What would you call it? Q&A with the speakers on Monday.
I really don't know how to set price targets. Or
Yep.
I mean, I've watched a few different things on YouTube and obviously watched your stuff. But,
Yep.
I think a lot of people will start selling on the way up.
Yep. Guys, stop gambling with your crypto and having $500 Stop gambling with... Guys, stop gambling with your crypto and putting such small amounts in a bunch of different random coins. Stop gambling on the small amount and taking all your attention away. Focus on the big assets. That's where you'll make the real wealth. End of year platinum party gives people...
yeah, we're just preparing for the summit. So because we've had such a massive influx of customers and members, we just had to organise all our systems and processes. We're over 1,000 clients now, so trying to just manage all the operations and systems. But yeah, it's a lot more behind the scenes. I hate all of that stuff. That's why I've got Bergs, our COO, that does all that, and then our amazing team behind us. So we're just at my house. We're just going to go through all the summit stuff for Thursday, go through the whole game plan. I'm obviously in my full kit fit here, the bull market shoes, so should be good.
So Brad said for us to all to get there at 10. I'll just confirm that.
That's my unique link, test event great. And then if I go and change this now to public event, this webinar has existing registration. Keep registering, it's perfect, like you said, Matt. Okay, so that works. So what we can do with this watch link here. Just finished up the summit prep. We've got the crew. We're super pumped. We just hit over nearly 1,100 registrations. So putting out the final touches, the scripts, the video trailers, everything's ready to rumble. Rightio, the team is just wrapping up here. It's been a pretty long day. We've got rehearsals tomorrow. Pretty much ready to go. I was finalising my scripts and the slides. Then I've got sauna with a mate going out for dinner. Tomorrow's rehearsal day, and then Thursday's a big day. We're up to 1,100 RSVPs, so it's all happening. Getting on other people's podcasts, mate, that's been a big growth one for us. Yeah. You get yourself on some other podcasts. Yeah. So watch when Josh moves it. What about ease? When's the top going to be? Just wrapped up dinner with Tommy, my mate from NGMI Media. Always love hanging out with him. We usually do a little sauna and ice bath, catch up every week or two. Just going to work on the rest of my script here for finish that off tomorrow, and then we've got the summit on Thursday. So nearly there. Fun times. Chat tomorrow. Bye-bye. Rightio, we have been full steam ahead doing the scripts and everything ready for rehearsals. I was supposed to be here 2 hours ago, trying to find a place. We're in the back and whoop whoop. The team's been here, but I'm not entirely sure where I'm going. So hopefully we can find a place, do some rehearsals, and hopefully everything works. Ready for tomorrow. That makes sense. Great. I'm fucking nervous, man. We are nowhere near ready. We've got 1,100 people now for tomorrow. Hopefully we can pull it together. We've got a great crew here. What I'm most nervous about is my slides. 200 of them is in Times New Roman with no background and no images. So all fun and games. We'll see if we do it. We just finished up. Alice, how are we going? It's better than last year. I feel as though we're actually half sorted.
I agree. I think it's all on track. Production's amazing. Content is even better. It's going to be massive. Feeling a bit nervous.
It's always nervous like before.
Yeah.
In saying that, last year we were in my lounge room, so we've actually got a studio this time, so it's going to be way better. What's going to go wrong if anything goes wrong tomorrow?
I think it'll be if I don't get the coffees on time. It's always,
Let's get the coffees right.
caffeine.
Okay, we'll see you tomorrow. Okay, today's the day. We've even got a jacket on, believe it or not. Let's go to the studio. Let's lock in.
Number 7.
G'day. How's it going? And then you walk out like DT, talk to DT, you'll be mic'd up.
I can put the excess cable there.
Welcome everyone to the High Net Wealth Crypto Investor Summit. Thanks so much for having us. And then I'm going to go to the chat over here. Let's put in the chat. The guys have got the laptop here, so I'll be able to answer those. And we'll crack into it.
Okay then, we are on at 3, 2, 1, and go.
G'day, welcome everyone to the High Net Wealth Crypto Investor Summit. What an intro. Already so many of you in the chat. There's 300 already on StreamYard, which is absolutely epic. Over on Twitter, we're restreaming YouTube. There's already about 500 or 600 people tuning in. Guys, today is going to be absolutely unbelievable. Can you hear me loud and clear in the chat? Just give me a little thumbs up if you can hear me. Awesome, guys. That's why we rehearse in front of 600 people. Now, as we go throughout the day, the next 4 hours, we're going to bring on DT. He's our head of member success because we're going to be busy presenting. DT is going to be in the chat. These were the 3 main points that we heard from you. Grow your portfolio, build a passive income, and achieve financial freedom. The audio was so like everyone was saying that no one could hear anything. It's because this was like muffled against my neck and the chat was just going off, but it's about 600 live at the moment, which is pretty crazy. So Twitter's a bit like we're restreaming on Twitter, so it's starting to go up a lot. Yeah, the chat on the actual event page is going epic. So just done my opener. Matt and Simon are killing it. So DT's on the live chat. DT, what's going on, man? You got a lot going on here.
Moderating, mate.
Yeah, lots of messages.
Yeah,
everyone's pumped. We've got YouTube, we've got Twitter, we've got our WhatsApp, we've got like going on everywhere. And then Alice she's the boss. We do what Alice says.
Our external speakers who are about to join.
So we've got speakers coming in with Checkmate and stuff, but Josh, behind the cameras, just literally finished the slides then, like, no. Look where he's been sitting. You've been sitting on that for 4 hours. Over 300 slides just on my talk, wanting to make it absolute perfect for. We've currently got 600 people live on Twitter, nearly 450 on the live stream, plus YouTube, so we're over 1,000 concurrent viewers, which is bananas. The chat's been popping off, everyone loving it. It's been good. I'm trying to get a Red Bull just to get sparked up for the last bit.
Thank you.
Thank you, Mick. Thank you, Ness. Thank you so much, guys. May the green candles be with you. See you soon. Bye-bye.
That was a day.
Let's go.
That's great.
Let's go.
Yeah, well done, mate. All right, get the beers now.
Twitter live stream when you started selling, it just kept climbing. You're like 20 minutes into the sales slide, it's like 700 people. Like selling 30 minutes in, it's like 750.
Did you see
400 in? Oh, bro, crazy. They got up to 800 people by like 5 o'clock.
Have I copped it with 15k?
We're done and dusted. We have a problem because there is literally so many people wanting to sign up for Platinum. So I think I just spoke to DT. He's got 7 calls tonight, back to back to back, and then 17 tomorrow with no break. And then Saturday booked out, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday booked out. So it's gone unbelievably successfully. What a build up. Huge shout out to Josh behind the camera. And yeah, hopefully we got a good little vlog behind the scenes. Thank you so much. Make sure you like and subscribe for more vlogs and we'll see you on the next one. Woo.